Welcome back to the Severe Weather Team blog. We're going to check out the long-range forecast once again. We're going to start off with the upper levels of the atmosphere, and we're going to head into the weekend and watch a potentially large storm come up out of the deep south. So what we have going on Saturday, we'll be watching some energy coming across parts of the deep south and then ejecting out of the plains and then working its way off towards the north and east. By the time we get into Sunday, a very large storm system starts to take shape. Low pressure, one at the surface in this area, another one pops off the the mid-Atlantic coast, and eventually it looks like those two will combine into one large storm and then push its way off towards the northeast. The track at this point still very much up in the air, but a good first guess on the track would have those storms consolidating across the coastal Carolinas and then a track inland up through parts of eastern Virginia, southeastern Pennsylvania, and then continuing its way up into parts of New England. And a track like that would favor a snow event across west central Pennsylvania. However, if this storm system would track a little bit farther to the west, say up the mountains, that would give us some mixed precipitation, some snow, and also some ice. So stay tuned to WJAC TV over the next couple of days. By Monday, big cutoff upper-level low sitting across the mid-Atlantic and the northeast, promising a lot of backlash snows working the way into Pennsylvania and the mountains of Maryland and West Virginia, and also Ohio. So if you are traveling late in the weekend, early next week, you want to certainly take this forecast into consideration and keep yourself updated over the next couple of days. Storm system by Tuesday moves up into Canada, but another storm system and more cold air begins to take place across parts of southern Canada and heads into the U.S. Here's a look at precipitation for Saturday afternoon. Storm system gathering strength across the deep south. By Sunday, one area of low pressure sitting back in here, another one across parts of Georgia. By Monday, storm system begins to move its way up the mountains just east or just west. Still too early to tell. We'll keep you updated. Some heavy precipitation likely with this. Things will taper off on Tuesday.